So we just had Toyota report its earnings, world's biggest automaker. What did we learn from their report? They're a business where they haven't made that big push into EVs, but they do have a pretty strong hybrid business.
They do have a pretty strong hybrid business, and particularly in the U.S., they're pushing that really hard, and they have that opportunity right now. Electric vehicles in the U.S., the demand is not as strong as what it sort of was expected about 2022, and what we're really seeing is a transition from an early adapter buyer to more of a pragmatic mainstream buyer is just taking longer than people really wanted it to. And for Toyota, the emphasis on hybrids and on plug-in hybrids alongside their internal combustion engines mean they're a little bit protected from the stress of the system right now. In the U.S. in particular, there's only two electric vehicles from Toyota, one from Lexus and one from Toyota,
Hmm.
and it's a lower part of the market. It's a lower part of their sales, and they're really strong in hybrid, as we talked about. If we look at other hybrid or other EV makers, Tesla's still making money, but their profit margin has gone down.
Okay.
And if we look at Ford, when they come out later today, they have signaled earlier that they weren't going to make as much money as they expected off electric vehicles, which is also a smaller part of their market as well, but it's one that they're struggling with.
All right, so we're talking about electric vehicles, but just to be clear for the audience, there's two different types. There's battery electric vehicles, BEVs, and there's plug-in hybrid electric vehicles called
Right.
PHEVs. So two
Right.
very
As
different.
well as Yeah, as well as regular hybrid vehicles, which don't require you to plug in anything at all. You just go to the gas station like normal,
Right.
and
So
consumers are still
there's a few different
adapting.
things. There's a few different things that
There's a few
consumers are trying to
different
figure out.
things. It's a complicated
It's a
scenario.
little bit complicated. So I just want to get kind of down to the bottom line when it comes to battery electric vehicles. So Bank of America out actually with some new data yesterday. They said 2023 was the biggest year ever for battery electric vehicles. They said global sales spiked 30%. In the U.S., we outpaced the rest of the world, 47% growth, Europe with 33% growth. So are these concerns that electric vehicle adoption isn't happening, are they possibly overblown? Are they just not meeting expectations, but still moving on a pretty strong pace?
I think that's a really important part. They are growing at a really strong pace. In the U.S., it was over 1 million units last year, a pretty significant move, and it's going to continue to move forward. The question has always been how fast, and some of the targets and the social policy changes that we're looking for more and more share of electric vehicles are 2030 and 2035 targets. This transition from an internal combustion engine dominant market to an electric vehicle dominant market is simply going to take time. There's still infrastructure that needs to be built up. There's still
Okay,
consumer education that needs to happen, and it's not going to happen in the next minute. So I think
got it.
2024 and 2025 will continue to see increased volume, but it might not happen quite as fast as optimistically was expected in about 2022.